let's take a look at some of the more powerful features inside of KipwareTB, our Machinist Toolbox Software. We've also got some programming helpful applications. One is bolt circle calculator. So let's say we've got a bolt circle with a radius of 2, 15 degrees is the angle of the first hole. Let's say there's 4 holes. Normally there would be 8 holes if the circle was complete. So we're going to do a little partial arc. 15 degrees with the angle of the first hole, and then 4 holes rather than the complete 8 holes. Let's say this is at -1 and -1. A couple of ways we can output. We can just output it to the screen, or we could print the locations to a piece of paper, take it out to the shop and figure out how we want to put it into our G-code program. Or you could copy and paste it here and put it into a G-code program. So this is the bolt circle calculator. We also have a circle milling calculator. So again, let's say we've got a 2-inch hole. We're going to do it with a 1/2-inch cutter. Let's say we want to start at quadrant number 1, and we want to do clockwise cutting. And what it'll do is it'll create a little program for us that will automatically loop in, go around, and then loop out. So those 3 lines of code, you can copy and paste them or print them and create some G-code for some simple operations that you're doing. We've also got a feed and speed calculator in here. Give you some kind of standard stuff where you can start out with. So let's say we're going to do some turning. Let's say we're going to do some stainless. Let's say we got 434 stainless. And when you hit the show recommendations, we're going to show you some of the range of surface feet that you could use. For a more in-depth calculation, you can click the high speed or the carbide button. And this is going to give you some chances to do some other calculations. So let's say we can put in a workpiece diameter of 1 inch. This is going to calculate the RPM for us in the inches per revolution. So it's a kind of a quick speed and feed calculator for milling, turning, or drilling or reaming directly inside KipwareTB. We've also got a thread depth calculator. So let's say you've got 12 threads. OD of the thread. Based on the standard formula, we're going to tell you what the depth of that OD thread should be. For an ID thread, again, we're going to tell you the depth that should be. So some programming helpful applications here for a bolt circle, circle milling, speed and feed database, and then a thread depth calculator.